Okay, but does IEX integrate with my favorite apps? Yes. CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce, email services like Gmail and Outlook, and HR applications like Workday, ADP, and many more are all available to be integrated with. To connect your CRM or email provider, just click Integrations on the main dashboard. Select your CRM or email service, and then sign in. If you hit any security restrictions, chances are it's because of your organization's well-thought-out IT policies. Thanks a lot, IT department. But don't worry, our team is here to help with any extra configuration that you might need. Oh, and you can also generate an API key right from this screen to connect an interface with your API. It's like unlocking a secret level in a video game, but without the monsters. When it comes to setting up HR integrations, our teams will work directly with you to make it happen. And once it's set up, you'll have the power to automatically send out gifts when an employee starts, has their work anniversary, or wait for it, when it's their birthday. It's like being the personal gift giver of the year without even trying. You just press a button and bam, gifts are flying out the door.